In this video, you will see how to see the dates in your Facebook Ad Manager. It's important to see the dates because you need to know how long your campaign ad sets or ads were running. The dates will help you to make decisions for your campaign ad set or ad. Let's go. Go to your Ad Manager. Go on the right on top. You're going to see a column. Click here. So you will see all the dates over here. Now, if you want to see today's date, click at today. And if you want to see past 7 days date, so whatever you want to see, that is going to be here. Now, if you want to see some custom date, whatever is not here, let's say for example, January 2024. So what you're going to do is click here until you find January, then click here. So in January, what date you want to see? After that, if you click update, that will be all the things that was for January. So these are all the campaigns that was in January. Now, if you want to see January and February for 2024 or whatever is your date you want to see the metrics for, so click come to January and then on February put the date, then update. So you are going to see everything. That's how you see the dates in your ad manager. Was this video useful? Write it in the comment. If you'd like to see more videos on Meta and Instagram ads, subscribe to the channel.